Good evening, Miss Priya. You are appearing for
Good evening,
SBI
sir.
CBO. Please tell us about yourself briefly.
Sir, I am Priya Markad. I have total more than 5 years of experience in banking industry with ICICI Bank Limited as a relationship manager, and I have completed my graduation diploma, post-graduation diploma through Manipal University. I completed my BCom from Amravati University. And about my work experience, I work 5 years as a relationship manager and 1 year as a branch operation manager. Currently, I am handling a set of customers mapped to me and also providing services to branch customers.
Good. So you have been a relationship manager for all the 5 years, or has there been any promotions?
No, sir. Firstly, I work as a relationship manager for 4 years. Then work 1 year as a branch operation manager, and then again I work as a relationship manager. Now, currently, I'm working as a relationship manager from last 4 months.
Good. Now, can you please explain what are the functions of a relationship manager? Then differentiate from the operations manager's role.
Okay. Sir, in relationship manager means I have a certain set of customers mapped to me. I have to give services to them, call them on daily basis, provide solutions to their queries, and thereby cross-selling existing banking products to the managed customers. And the branch operation manager means it includes operations as well as sales, cross sales also.
Good. Yeah, while working as operations manager, how many people were working under you?
Not no one is, sir. One is the maker, and I was the verifier, authorizer of financial transaction, and I have to process the service request of the branch.
Sir, what are
But in
the
that role, I work only for 6 months. Mostly,
Acha,
my experience is in relationship manager and front desk operator. From front desk also, I reaching the product to the customers by providing services and getting business from them.
good. Now, can you tell me, as a relationship manager, what are the
Hmm.
success stories you would like to narrate to us?
Sir, Uh, in this profile, I have done I provided a lot of services to my managed customers and also bring business from them. Uh, I have to tell the example also.
Yeah, without mentioning the name of the people. See,
Okay,
here
okay.
you have to
Hmm.
tell in terms of quantity. Sir,
Okay.
I canvassed 25 life insurance policies for a premium
Hmm.
of 3 lakhs rupees for, say,
Hmm.
the LIC policy value of 2 crores. I don't know.
Hmm.
You must be able to tell me the details.
Okay. Sir, last month I bring the business from my managed customer as a family banking and bring CASA of 5 lakh in that account. Also sell the term insurance to that customer and also done the gold loan business of 35 lakh for a branch.
Good. So you have done gold loan of 35 lakhs.
Yes, MTD
So,
last month.
acha, you have a jewel loan appraiser.
Yes, sir. In my branch there is a job loan appraisal.
Do you believe him fully, or you also try to check up whether it is genuine or not? I know in the hot pressure of time, it will be difficult for you to allot time, but are you able to devote time for checking the originality of the gold? Because many cases are not committed. Yeah. Priya?
Yes. Sir, firstly, the gold loan purity and all these things is checked by the appraisal, but we should present at the time of valuation of the gold, and we should cross verify that the valuer is checking properly the purity of gold and all the tests, that is acid test, stone test. We don't know about the purity exactly, but we have to check and cross check with the valuer.
No. Do you by any means check the originality? What are the methods you use to check it up?
No, sir, I have no any methods. Don't know any methods of
No,
checking
no,
the
but
originality.
don't believe it. Don't believe them 100%. Now and then, I think you please ask your seniors how to check it up and all that.
Okay,
That will be
okay,
better
okay, sir.
because many cases
Okay,
frauds have taken place. The
okay.
appraiser brings somebody known to him and gives fake jewels. Doesn't matter.
But sir, appraiser value the gold in the presence of the one branch staff and the one deputy branch manager. So there is no chance of fraud.
Excellent. Very good.
And
Thank
he
you.
is also authorized appraiser by the bank.
Very good.
He is having the license of authorizer. So in case any fraud happen to this, it will also impact him also.
No. People know that they. Sorry, doesn't matter. I'm not extending on that. Now, please
Yes,
tell
yes,
me.
yes,
Now, please tell me what you said you canvassed for CASA account and all that. Correct?
yes, yes, yes,
CASA account of 5 lakhs and then premium and all. That's good. Now, please
yes,
tell
yes.
me why, whether as a banker, bank will be happy to have more of CASA account or more of time deposits. Which one is suitable for bank?
That is, you means that time deposit or that CASA, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes. Sir, I think both are suitable, but CASA deposit is profitable for bank because if the money there is in the CASA, then bank has to pay the less interest to the customers. In current account, there is 0% interest, and if it we book in the term deposits, then bank has to give the rate of interest of the FD that is 7%, 6 to 7% to the customers.
good.
But
Actually,
another
actually,
thing is that the parking the funds in term deposit will make sure that the customer will last with bank for that period.
that is true. But here,
Yes.
your answer is 100% correct. But somewhere
Okay.
you have to use the word. The cost of funds is cheaper
Okay.
in CASA.
Okay. Okay.
If
Okay.
you use apt words, they will be happy.
Cost
Cost
of
of funds.
funds is less in CASA. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, good, excellent.
Okay.
Now, um, so please tell me, ICICI Bank has got how many type of credit cards? Do they have credit
Mm,
cards? Have you gone through that? No, doesn't matter.
not
Please,
sir.
no, please tell
Sir,
me.
yes.
Yeah. Did you verify about ICICI's other products and all?
Yes, that gold loan, personal loan, mutual fund, term insurance.
Mhm. Good. No. I'm
Mhm.
asking about all other products
But
also. You must have a knowledge. Then
okay, sir.
I will come to State Bank of India. Now, why do you
Okay.
want to jump to ICICI to State Bank? Is it for salary hike or is it for getting a specified posting in a state? You are working in which state now?
Maharashtra.
You are also applied for Maharashtra?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now tell me,
There
what is the
is,
reason? What is
okay.
the reason for jumping?
Sir, the reason for jumping, as we know that State Bank of India is the largest public sector bank in the country. So I want to join that bank, join the SBI and use my experience and knowledge in State Bank so that I can get a good career opportunity and as well as for salary growth also want to join the SBI bank because here what I am getting the salary will also increase the salary in State Bank of India.
Yeah. What is your father?
Sir, a farmer.
Farmer. What are the crops grown by him?
Soybean and uh, so can I switch to Hindi? That haldi.
Why no problem? Why no
Yes,
problem?
yes, yes, yes,
हल्दी and also सोयाबीन.
yes, yes.
अच्छा, किससे आपको ज्यादा प्रॉफिट होता है?
सर वो हल्दी वाली खेती जो है उससे ज्यादा प्रॉफिट होता है
हल्दी में?
but depending upon the monsoon and all these things.
हम्म, अच्छा। और मदर क्या करते हैं?
Housewife.
अच्छा। आप कभी
Yes.
फील्ड में जाके काम किया एज अ यंग गर्ल और एज अ
No, sir. No.
मेच्योर? आप लोग का परमिशन नहीं
No,
देता
sir.
है? You are not permitted to go there. Correct, correct. Excellent. Very nice. No problem. Now, who is the Maharashtra Agriculture Minister?
Sir, don't know.
Okay, you are in which district now?
I am in Mumbai. Basically, I belong from the Akola district, but I am staying
But
in
you are
Mumbai.
now working in Mumbai.
Yes, yes.
Which part of Mumbai are you staying?
Thane, in the
Thane.
Badlapur.
Thane. That is right.
Yes,
Good, good.
yes,
Excellent.
yes,
Now,
yes.
mm, next point is, have you
Mm.
gone through State Bank of India website?
Sir, I have checked their CASA ratio and branches more than and
Acha,
ATM
acha. Acha,
in
you
the
want to tell the figures and all. Okay, tell me the figures of SBI as on 31/3/2024.
sir, I don't
What
remember that
you
much,
you do
but
not you do
I
not
have
you do
grown the yes,
you do you do not remember? Please mug it up,
yes,
prepare
yes,
kar dijiye. Mug it up, prepare kar
yes,
dijiye.
yes,
What is the value of
yes,
Bombay I mean, what is the value of now Bombay Stock Exchange in Sensex today?
that I did not check.
Acha. What is you know what
Yes,
is the value of ICICI Bank shares normally in the market?
yes, yes. It is around 1,000 to 1,100.
What is the share price of SBI?
Between 800 to 850, sir. Exactly don't know what is the
Mm,
today's price, but it is around 800 to 850.
It is correct. 800
Yes,
and odd. ICICI Bank is
yes,
1107. You are right. And
yes, yes, yes.
BSC Sensex is
Okay,
76,810.
okay.
Then
And then
NSE Nifty,
Nifty, Nifty.
Nifty जानते हैं आप? Today, before
Yes,
coming for
that is
interview, before coming for interview,
yes.
you should
We
get
have
to
to
know
check
that and go. 23
what is
thousand three
yes.
ninety, 23
Okay,
thousand three ninety eight. Can you tell me what
okay,
are
sir.
the reasons? So there was a remark made by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, opposition leader, about the share market. What is it? You know that?
No, sir, no.
You must watch some politics also. Then he is telling
Yes,
about
okay.
the increase in the value of shares on as on the before the declaration of results, and it coming down on 4th because the results were not that very good for BJP, something like that. So you should go through that
Yes,
all. Very
yes,
good.
yes. I checked that the market on 4th June falling way behind and it also recover after 2 days.
Now,
Yeah,
who is our finance minister? Excuse me. Who is our finance minister now?
I know, sir.
Uh, who is
That
our
is
union?
Sitaraman. Sitaram, Nirmala Sitaram.
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Yes, yes, yes. Mrs.
Yeah.
Nirmala Sitaram.
What do you know? What have you heard about Mr. Sitharaman? Political
Mm,
views. Political views.
no idea, sir.
He is
Actually,
totally he is totally
I
opposite
am
to he is totally opposite
okay.
to Nirmala Sitharaman's views. He is commenting against
Okay,
the government, commenting against BJP also. He has been doing it
okay,
from the beginning. That's right. Good.
okay, okay, okay.
Very, very nice. Excellent. Now, why should I select Priya Madam?
Sir, as I told you that I have more than the 5 years of experience in banking in which I handle the customers, also solve the customers' queries and bring business from them. It will also help the State Bank of India to improve their profitability and get business and also improve the customer service.
Good. In State Bank of India, they're very, very sensitive or very critical about you are completing the assignments in the tests and all that. If you miss some tests
Okay.
within the time, then they will give a memo or sometimes they may even dismiss. You are aware of the very difficult circumstances in which you have to work. Still, you are willing to switch over to State Bank of India.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure. In ICC also there are some tasks and things assigned to us, and we have to complete that within the timeline. And my experience is almost 5 years. I know how to handle and how to complete the time within the work frame. And I have the good customer relationships skill, so I will definitely try to do the more business and
You are in the passing up checks. You come across a check for up to what extent your clerical staff can pass himself or herself checks up
sir,
to
trans
20,000,
transfer of checks or for cash withdrawal.
not transfer, cash withdrawal.
Cash withdrawal up to 50,000. No, 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 sir. Up to 1 lakh, the tailor can only post the check.
The clerk himself can give the money 1 lakh straight away.
Yes, yes, yes.
There is no need for him to refer to you.
No, sir. Above 1 lakh, he has to maker and on the another thing, another one will be checker.
Very good. So, Acha, you are not in that position. You are only relationship officer.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I'm not in that position, but I handle cash for 1 or 2 months also
very good.
initially.
Now, please
Yes.
tell me, you are sitting as an operations manager in charge of
Hmm.
passing up checks and all that. At that time,
Okay.
a check for 1.5 lakh rupees is coming,
Okay.
and you are going to pass the check. You find that that particular customer has 5 crores 42 lakhs in his SB account at that time.
Okay.
What will you do? Will you simply pass the check and leave it, or will you try to go for canvassing of some new products from him? Which product will you recommend?
Definitely, we'll convert with customers about the product and investment plans. I will firstly ask customer that if he needs money for use, and if he says that there is no use, and I will pitch him the investment products, such as if he says that he will keep that money for long term, I will pitch him the ULIP plan and mutual funds. And if he says that he require money within 6 months and 1 year, we'll definitely suggest him to park that money in fixed deposits.
Good. Very good. You told
Yes.
correctly.
Yes.
Now, what is the rate of interest charged in home loan by SBI?
Mm, SBI, no idea, sir, but it is 8%. I think it is 8%.
8.50% per annum onwards.
Okay, okay.
Because I am not asking anything unknown to you. I am asking
Yes,
everything that is there on the website.
okay.
The
I
only
will go through the rate
solution,
of
yeah,
interest and all things.
the only solution is आप लोग ये सब वेबसाइट को पूरा देख के रखना है, पूरा पूरा
Yes, yes,
बिल्कुल.
yes, yes.
What is YONO?
Is the mobile application of State Bank of India, through which the
Good.
customers can do transactions and all.
Now, up to what extent are bank deposits guaranteed?
I think it is up to 5 lakhs.
Do, do you think it is sufficient to have it at 5 lakhs, or should it be raised?
It should be raised, sir, because some customers have more than 5 lakhs in their accounts. So it
Hmm,
should be raised.
very good. That is correct. Who is the chairman of our DICGC?
No idea, sir. We'll check. We'll go through it.
Mr. M.D.
EICGC
Patro.
chair.
Mr. M.D.
Yes, yes,
Patro
yes, yes,
is one
yes,
of the deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India.
yes, yes.
Recently, a person who was very much responsible for the growth of our ICICI Bank. He was also chairman and MD and all that high positions in 90s, 80s and all that. He passed away recently. What is that gentleman's name?
No idea, sir.
You have not heard Mr. KB Kamath.
Yes, yes, yes,
Mr. KB Kamath, famous
yes.
person. Yeah, good.
I
Now,
will note down it.
yeah, who
Sir,
is the chair? Yeah,
told
who is the chair?
DICGC chair.
DICGC chairman is MD
MD Pat.
Patro.
Yes,
MD Patro, KB Kamath was ex-chairman and important person in ICICI Bank, and he went for
yes,
other foreign assignments also. Recently, he
yes.
died. And
Okay.
yeah, and what is the name of the madam against whom charges were levied? She was MD and she CM of our ICICI Bank, and a
That
lot of
is
charges
Chanda
of
Kochar.
corruption. Chamda Kochar. Good. It was
Yes,
relating
yes.
to main case. Which case was it?
Mm,
She was
No idea,
she
sir.
was
Whether
cornered for which case?
for loan
Videocon.
sanctioning.
Videocon. Videocon.
Yes,
Account
yes,
is video.
yes.
Videocon. You must know something about that. That's right. Now, what are the risks that bankers have while giving loans to borrowers?
So in case of secured loan, there is no risk, but
Mm,
in unsecured loan, there are some risks. But
mm,
it also be checked the eligibility before processing the loans.
mm. So, how banks are taking care of protecting these risks?
So taking the securities and collateral against the loan.
Mm,
If the borrower not pay the loan within the timeline,
mm,
then bank can take the charge of collateral and also sell the collateral and recover the loan.
good. Now, can you tell me? I'm reverting back to the other question. What are the risks that bankers are facing normally? What you just tell me the name of risk.
Market risk,
Correct. Very happy.
liquidity, liquidity risk.
Liquidity
No,
risk. Liquidity risk.
no.
Also correct. Not bad. Sometimes the borrowers may not repay. When they don't repay, then money is locked. That will be a problem.
Yes, yes,
Correct. Then
yes. Then no idea, sir.
no idea. So
Mm,
all aspects of banking like risk, credit analysis, credit report, etc. Everything you must be in a position to read.
okay,
Hmm? 1 minute.
okay.
I'm just posting it as a blog. Risk in um, mm, risk for banks in lending. Yeah. Label, label. What is the label? I will put bank interviews. Close it. Yeah. I will tell you what are those items. I will show you.
Yes.
I have to show you like this. Credit risk, market risk, then
Okay.
regulatory risk, operational risk, liquidity risk.
Mm.
You told this point correctly. Country
Yes.
risk, concentration risk,
Reputation.
reputational risk. To mitigate these risks, banks employ various risk management practices, including credit analysis, diversification
Okay.
of loan portfolios, stress testing, regulatory compliance measures, and robust internal controls. Additionally, maintaining adequate capital reserves and implementing prudent lending practices are essential for banks to withstand potential losses and ensure their long-term stability and viability. Good. In this first mock interview, I have tried to test you from the angle of
Okay.
your profession, whatever you are
Okay.
now doing in the bank. Next time I meet you, I will ask questions from A to Z. Ah,
Okay.
about
Okay.
banking, about foreign exchange, about central bank, about IRDAI, about SEBI, about National
Okay.
Housing Bank, about SIDBI. I will ask anything.
Okay, sir.
So be ready to prepare. This time, I will rate your interview at 8.5 out of 10. Not
Okay, sir.
bad.
Okay. And
You
sir,
are
on.
not done bad.
Okay.
You can improve
Okay.
still better. Your interview date is which date?
19th of June.
Best wishes. You have time. Please, if possible, come out early from office. Spend time in reading more. I know you
Yes.
officers are hard pressed for time. Are you in office now?
No, sir. Today I have taken the leave for preparation only.
Excellent. God bless you.
Yes.
Thank you. You
And
did
sir,
well.
anything to improve?
अच्छा बता दिया ना हमने तो बता
Yes.
दिया.
And sir, another thing I want to know that my English is understandable or
So
can
it's
or
okay,
I
fine.
will.
It's okay, fine.
Okay.
State Bank doesn't expect too much of English. They want only Hindi or English.
Okay.
If you go to
Okay.
Federal Bank, they will ask fully English. But since
Okay.
you are going only to State Bank of India, उधर में हिंदी भी चलता है अच्छा से. आप तो
Yes.
हिंदी
Yes.
में
They
अच्छा
have
से
given two options.
या आप हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं कोई बात नहीं.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
good,
Thank you.
good job,
Yes.
Priya. Best wishes. Sorry, I gave you time as 4:30. पता नहीं कैसे भूल
No,
गया
no
मैं.
issue, sir. Today I have taken the leave, so I have the time.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Best
sir.
wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Candidates who are online now, I'm just going out for my breakfast. It is now 8:30 in my watch here. I am supposed to come back by 9 o'clock. That will be 6:30 p.m. in India. Those people who have been assigned interview from 5:30 or say 6:30 and all that, you can be present there so that I can continue with them seriously because I don't want to lose time. That is the thing. Thank you. Best wishes. Sorry, I'm closing now.